Welcome back to another episode. Today is a very tough one that I thought I'd never make. Unfortunately, it's time. I'm gonna have to let the BRZ go. For those of you that know me, my name is Juan. This is Missing Gears, and for the longest time I've had Subaru cars, my STI and my BRZ. I bought the STI brand new. I had a WRX before. I bought the BRZ crashed from Copart, and I was able to restore it properly, put only top-notch parts, and bring it to its glory with aftermarket parts, headlights, taillights, lip, and everything that you can think of top quality. Some parts were not the greatest, but some of them were really good. Which brings me to the topic. Unfortunately, the BRZ has to go. The BRZ has been a great car to learn how to autocross, to do modifications. The original reason why I got it was because I did not want to modify my car and make it not reliable. Instead, I kept it, did not sell it because I wanted to tinker with it. So if you've seen all my videos, I've changed so many things about it, and most of it, 90% of it, was done by me. The car has been nothing but memories, successes, trophies that we could meet, and accomplishments in terms of modifications. But just like everything, things have to change. So I decided I no longer want to have a Subaru or just the Subaru and get something else. So because of that, I decided that it's time for me to let it go. I will be selling it to a person who is already coming to pick it up in the next couple of days, and he will be taking it home, and I will no longer have it. As you can see here, as requested, there's no more social media stickers, no more YouTube, no more QR code, no more identification of it being mine. The car is going as is: wheels, tires, calipers, headlights, taillights, wing, carbon fiber parts, radio, all of it. The only things I took out were some lighting items that the person didn't like, and that's okay. I have nothing to say about this car, but this was a great learning experience. The next car is going to be one level up, and I will continue to make content as helpful and as engaging as I have been for the longest time. So if you want to watch the rest one, stay tuned for the next project car, because it's going to be a nice one. For the time being, I'm just going to wait for the owner to come, look at the car, see that it works fine. We're gonna go on a test drive. I might give you a sneak peek on how he enjoys that test drive, and then he'll be taking it home. So let's see when he comes home. time has come. I'm heading to meet the buyer, and this is going to be one of the last times I'll drive this car. So let's go. I posted the car for sale on Facebook Marketplace. I got some good compliments and some really trolling comments about the car. There were some that were very honest, some of them were just outrageous no matter what. After having it for quite some time, messages kept on coming. People were asking about scheduling and about what was wrong with the car, why was I selling it so cheap, things like that. A few of them came by, a few of them test drove it, a few of them didn't even have the money to buy the car. Some showed interest, some did not. Finally, this individual came in, told me he wanted to test drive it. We went for a ride. He saw the car, he felt the car. He's a new driver, he does not know how to drive a stick that well, so I decided to just give him a ride along. It was fun. He asked me about the car, I explained to him what I've done to the car, I explained to him that I had documented everything on YouTube and everything was available for people to see. After a couple weeks later, we agreed that he was gonna pick up the car since he had some things to happen and he was going out of town for a little bit and he couldn't pick it up at that time. But so he was able to come back a couple weeks later and he picked up the car. So that's the story of the buyer.
2 weeks later.
And so today's the day. Finally happening. As you can see here, the car is ready to go. And today we're going to be saying goodbye. So we're gonna give it our last goodbye and it's gonna go. I'm actually shaking. I've actually sold only one car in my life and this is going to be the second one. I never thought I would, but the day has come. New beginnings shall start. Yeah, so we're gonna drive now to give it to the new owner and I'll show you guys a bunch of clips. I don't want to take too much video, maybe just a couple videos with my phone and I'll tell you guys how it went. Goodbye BRZ, this is it. Thank you for all the time I've spent in you, in the good races, the trophies, and everything you gave me. And we are back. All there is left is the license plate. Sorry, this way. There is no more BRZ. You can see here I am in my garage. And no, it's not outside. I'm not faking it. I have both plates. The car is no longer in my name. I'll show you guys the footage, or I probably already showed you, but it's sad times. I love that car, but it had to go. And so stay tuned if you want to see what I do. Maybe I'll get another car, maybe I won't. You'll have to subscribe for that. So if you like this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.